Let's face it, fish look a bit weird to us. We don't recognize their facial expressions, they don't blink, and they don't even breathe air. So it can be hard for us to relate to them. And that could be why they don't get as much attention as other animals. So let's look at 10 amazing facts which will make you think differently about fish. There are more species of fish than mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians put together. Some of them can even fly, with gusts of wind carrying them up to 20 feet in the air. Some fish have been observed responding to their reflection in a mirror and even attempting to remove marks from their own bodies when looking in a mirror, a sign that they're self-aware. Most modern fish are tetrachromatic. This means that they see colors more vividly than us humans. Fish can use tools. In 2009, an orange-dotted Turkfish was filmed repeatedly smashing mollusks on rocks to get to the clams inside. In South Africa, tigerfish have been filmed catching swallows in mid-air. It's been seen too often to be an accident. Swallows are well known for their speed and their agility, which makes this even more impressive. And in Albi, France, catfish have learned to hunt pigeons. There's a common misconception that fish are not very involved in parenting. But different species of fish have a variety of ways that they protect their eggs and their young. Some risk their lives defending them from predators. Some people say that goldfish only have a 3-second memory. Imagine you're in a restaurant and the waiter brings a red and blue plate of food. The blue plate is taken away quickly, but the red one is left. Next time you go to the restaurant, you'd probably eat from the blue plate first, in case it's taken away quickly again. Well, scientists have done a test like this on fish and on primates. In these tests, the fish outperformed the primates, showing that they've got an amazing ability to learn and to hold on to long-term memories. The smallest adult fish that we currently know of is a goby, at 1/3 of an inch in length. At high tide, they memorize the sea floor, so that at low tide, they can jump between rock pools to avoid predators. Do you remember the face of everyone you went to school with? Probably not, but fish in huge schools can distinguish between individual members. But as well as recognizing each other, they can recognize and remember individual human faces, and they'll respond differently, especially if that person feeds them. In Japan, divers discovered a mysterious 6-foot wide circular pattern in the sand. They later discovered these were made by a male pufferfish, swimming on his side and gently flapping a fin, occasionally decorating the pattern with shells. It turns out he was doing this to attract a female. Hopefully these facts have made you think differently about fish, and to remember that they can be smart, sensitive, and amazing. Subscribe to our channel to find out more about how we're working to end the abuse of animals raised for food.